Guilty of serious dishonesty relative to his unlawful acquisition of wealth. Ito ang desisyong inilabas ng Office of the Ombudsman sa kasong dishonesty and grave misconduct na inihain ni dating Iloilo Provincial Administrator Manuel Mejorada laban kay Iloilo City Mayor Patrick Mabilog noong taong 2015. Ayon sa Ombudsman, hindi nagawang maipaliwanag ng maayos ni Mayor Mabilog kung paano lumobo ang kanyang yaman, partikular na ang 8.9 milyong pisong dagdag sa kayamanan nito sa loob ng isang taon mula 2012 hanggang 2013. Maliban sa dismissal from service order, pinatawan din ng cancellation of civil service eligibility si Mabilog, forfeiture of retirement benefits, perpetual disqualification from holding public office at prohibition from taking civil service examinations. Samantala, hindi naman nawawalan ng pag-asa ang kampo ni Mabilog sa inilabas na dismissal order ng Office of the Ombudsman. Ayon sa abogado at tagapagsalita nitong si Attorney Mark Piad, plano nilang iapila ang naturang desisyon.
We will just explore or avail whatever legal remedies that we have. We might probably ask for a TRO from the Court of Appeals, or we might appeal the decision of the Ombudsman, or we might file a petition for review before the Court of Appeals.
Hinggil naman sa banta ni President Rodrigo Duterte sa alkalde na siya na ang susunod, tumanggi na itong magbigay pa ng ibang pahayag.
We don't know what the President meant, no? So we really cannot comment any further on that. No? But whatever will happen, we just lay it down to God. Divine intervention. No? So that's basically what the mayor was saying last time.
Vincent Arboleda, UNTV News and Rescue, Iloilo.